long.
Sorry, no. I'm trying to get started.
Don't worry, dude. Oh, look at Jaunty.
Dang.
He's cruising around.
While you're having to
Put him out.
at the same time, so you're not fighting each other. Do I have to have the rudder down? No, go that way.
I know.
If you push forward on the other side, it'll go.
Yes.
Do you guys think you can outrace them?
See it like this? Okay.
Okay, well we're all semi-close. Fun fact number 3. Lake Taupo at its longest point is 46 kilometers long, and at its widest is 33 kilometers wide. Alright, making it a pretty significant lake, obviously because it's the same size as Singapore. On our way across to the next point, which is our last point, please be aware of the boaters who are doing some fishing. Don't go in and get yourself tangled in any lines, so give themselves a nice wide berth. Alright, and we're going to sneak down to the point down here. Alright, that's our last point before we sneak around to the carvings. Cool. Alright, it is 9:58. We left at 9:15.
Oh, it is riding.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
All time.
Do you really get to kayak?
Only in sport. You have no kayaks, you have no sea, you have no water.
In Germany.
You don't go mountain biking.
Yes.
Empty your gear and then hop back in with a single and come out and do your assessment. While you're not doing your assessment, you can have flights of heat where your flights of sunscreen, and then if you've got a little bit of time, then we can go for a swim. No, you can dive down there.
Like that.
Alright, ready?
Peace.
Wait, you guys.
Nine.
So good to be out of that. Boy.
Ciao teman-teman.